Federal judges on multiple occasions have fired Trump-appointed prosecutors and have told them, get out. You're not actually the United States attorney in various districts, which would be the top federal prosecutor of a district. And these federal judges have the power to extend the term of these interim United States attorneys after a 120-day period, or they get to fire these top federal prosecutors who were just there on an interim basis until such time as the Senate confirms them. And so over and over again, we've seen federal judges firing these Trump-appointed federal prosecutors, and these Trump-appointed federal prosecutors are refusing to leave. They're refusing to accept the fact that they've been fired, and they just stay in the building. And they keep signing their name as the top federal prosecutor for these respective districts. And then the judges have to scratch their name off, or the judges then tell the line prosecutors who show up, who technically have to report to these Trump stooges, oftentimes people without federal prosecutorial experience at all, who are the bosses of these districts. The kind of rank and file prosecutors show up and the judges confront them. And the judges say, why the heck do you keep putting these people's names on these court filings as the United States attorney for whatever district it is? They're gone. They're not the person. And then these rank and file prosecutors have to say, we're not doing it. Like, we're being forced to do it by Main Justice in Washington, D.C. at the Department of Justice. They're forcing us to do it. So we have this bizarre loser, weird, just a total lack of credibility type situation where you actually have top federal prosecutors as squatters. And it's not just like one example of it. I mean, you have that in the Eastern District of Virginia. We all know that example with Lindsay Halligan, who's never been a federal prosecutor in her life before. And she was disqualified by the federal judge who was overseeing the disqualification motion in the Comey and Letitia James case. Essentially, watch how they described it on CNN.
It is the falling action of what happens after a judge dismissed both the cases against James Comey and Letitia James, cases that Donald Trump really wanted. What has happened in court since then is this judge's finding it was that Lindsay Halligan, the prosecutor who took those cases through the grand jury previously and was serving as the U.S. attorney, a judge had found last Monday she's not the U.S. attorney. She needed to be Senate confirmed or approved by the judges, has not been, and thus she's just doesn't have that power as the top prosecutor in the Eastern District of Virginia. Since then, there are at least 3 judges that I have found, along with reporter Devin Cole here. We have been able to pull court transcripts from this week. 3 different judges are telling the prosecutors from that office in the Eastern District of Virginia that Lindsay Halligan, she is just not the U.S. attorney. Her name should not be on court filings, especially guilty pleas and indictments. And yet the U.S. Attorney's Office, the Justice Department, they insist they believe she is still the U.S. attorney. And so they're keeping to put her name on the filings. 2 judges crossed out her name this week on different court proceedings of other criminal defendants. Another judge put an asterisk next to it on several different indictments. And they're saying that the law in the district is that she is not the U.S. attorney.
Hello friend, welcome back to our channel. Today's story is big news in America. It is about former US President Donald Trump and his lawyers. Something very strange happened. Some of Trump's top lawyers were fired, but they did not want to leave. They stay and continue working like nothing happened. This created drama, confusion, and a lot of talk on US social media. People are asking, why were the lawyers fired? Why did they refuse to leave? What is happened inside Trump team? Let me explain everything. So let's start. Trump's legal problems. Donald Trump has many legal cases against him. These cases are about documents, politics, elections, and business issues. Because of this, Trump needs strong lawyers to defend him. He has hired many lawyers over time. Some he killed, Some he fired, some left after fight or disagreement. His legal team changed often. Now the same things happen again. Some lawyers were fired, but this time something unusual happened. They refused to leave. Who are these lawyers? The lawyers involved in the story are not small lawyers, they are top lawyers who worked on Trump's biggest legal problems. They know important information about Trump's cases. They helped prepare Trump for court. They spoke the media. They planned his legal strategy. When lawyers like this refuse to leave, it become a big problem. Why were the lawyers fired? Trump team was unhappy with how these lawyers were handling the cases. They were disagreement. Trump want one plan, they lawyers want a different plan. This case problem. Some reporters say the lawyers were not follow instructions. They were slow in preparing documents. They did not agree with Trump ideas. They were against inside the team. Because of all this, Trump team decided to fire them. But the drama started after that. What did they not leave? Usually, when someone is fired, they leave immediately, they stop working, they return file, they work out. But these lawyers did not do that. They stay, they continue working, they attach meeting, they talk to staff, they act like that were still part of the team. Why? Here are some simple reasons. Reason 1, they felt they were still needed. They thought the cases were too big and complicated to leave suddenly. Reason 2, they believe they were right. Lawyers often think their plan is the big best plan. They did not want to accept defend defect. Reason 3, they want to protect their image. Begin fired look bad. They did not want people to think their field. Legal rules. In Americans, lawyers cannot be removed instantly. Create step must be followed. So they decided to still until everything was officially completed. Reaction from Trump team. Trump team was surprised and confused. They expected the lawyers to leave immediately, st- but they stay in the office. They keep working. This made the team is very fantastic. Some members of team Trump team said things like, "Why are they still here? Did not we tell them to leave? This is slowing down our work." The whole situations become messy. US social media react. When the news come out, social media made exploded with reaction. Many people found it unbelievable. Some thought it was funny. Some thought it was scary. Some thought it was chaotic. People commented things like, "How do you get fired the still keep working?" This feel like a comedy show. Trump legal team is always full of drama. Politics in America is crazy. The story went viral very fast. What experts say? Legal experts in the USA share their opinion on TV and social media. They say this is very unusual. Fried lawyers almost never refuse to leave. It can hurt Trump cases. Confusion inside a legal team can create mistake. Judge do not like choice. Court was Court want clear information about who is representing Trump. Sensitive information is at risk. Fire lawyers still have across two important documents. Experts say the solution looked unprofessional and dangerous for Trump legal battle. How the affect Trump? This situation create problems for Trump. Problem one: delay. New lawyers need time to learn everything. Problem two: public image. Public image more about the drama than the legal fact. Reason three: court trouble. Judge may get involved if lawyers keep change. Problem 4: election complications. Trump is running for president again. Legal drama make things hard, but Trump has been in many thought situations before. His supporters believe he will handle this one too. Why lawyers want to stay? Here is simple reason why the lawyers refuse to leave. They want to finish their work. They want to keep their repeating clean, reporting clean. They want to keep their reputation clean. They believe Trump team made a mistake. They fire. They may be blamed for problem if they leave. They want to negotiate a better exit. Some even thinks Trump might hire them again later. Public reaction. People is social media reacted with jokes, memes, and funny comments. Some people said this looked like a TV drama, a comedy movie, a chaotic office, a never-ending crisis. The story become a trending topic. Possible next step. Experts believe these things many happen. Their lawyers finally leave. They is most likely they make a deal. They might ask for money or promise before leaving. New lawyers take over fast. Trump has hired new legal teams many times. Courts may ask for clarity. Clarity. Judge want to know exactly who represent Trump. Who represent Trump? Media will continue talking. This story will stay in the news for something. This story still stay in the news for some time. Important on election. Trump in preparing for the USA 2024 election, legal problems make it harder, but they also get him more attention. Some voters supported him because they think he is being threatened unfairly. Others worry about his leaderships. The lawyer's drama adds more pressures to his comparing teams who want things to be clean and organized. Thank you for watching my video.